we are always trying to introduce the hand-drawn look variability into our designs. You might find one of the tools on the Modify drop-down menu quite useful for that. If I select these symbols, which are for an echinacea, notice that they all have the same scale and they all have been inserted at 0 rotation. What you might like to do is to go to the Modify drop-down, pick Introduce Variation to Symbols, and let's just pick, say, 3 of these, right-click, and the status line will say type a percentage for the new size. So let's say we wanted to drop those symbols by 75%, and we wanted to put the rotation angle at 55, and you see that has introduced some variation into these, and we might want to move them around. Now, to my eye, that looks a more natural look and saves having to individually scale and rotate symbols.